Welcome to Learning English with Cambodia. Listening Quiz 1. A. Listen twice and write down the names you hear. Number 1. Lionel Messi. I spell Lionel Messsi. Number 2. Cristiano Ronaldo. I spell Cristiano Number 3. Taylor Swift. I spell TaylorSwift. Number 4. Vladimir Putin. I spell VLADIMIRPUTIN. Number 5. Elon Musk. I spell ELONMUSK. Number 6. Donald Trump. I spell DONALDTRUMP. Number 7. Bill Gates. I spell BILLGATES. Number 8. Angelina Jolie. I spell ANGELINAJOLIE. Number 9. Pope Francis. I spell POPEFRANCIS. Number 10. Xi Jinping. I spell XIJINPING.
Now you have 15 seconds to check your answers.
B. Listen once and write down the phone numbers you hear.
Number 1. Can I have your number?
Yes, it's a smart number. 016-738-921.
Number 2. What's your number?
Here it is, cell card 012-945-813.
Number 3. Can you give me your contact number?
Sure, it's a Metphone number 097-621-0058.
Number 4. How can I call you?
My number is smart 081-390-472.
Number 5. Need to save your number.
Okay, it is cell card 017-558-194.
Number 6. Drop your number here.
All right, it's Metphone 088-732-9461.
Number 7. Can I get your cell number?
Yes, it's a smart number 096-415-829.
Number 8. What is your phone number?
It is cell card 092-617-803.
Number 9. Swap numbers?
Fine, here is my Metphone 071-883-2940.
Number 10. Give me your digits.
Okay, it's smart 093-571-634.
Now you have 15 seconds to check your answers.
E. Listen and write down the words you hear. Each word will be read 3 times. Number 1. Restaurant. 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 Number 2. University. University. University.
Number 3. Foreigner. 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 Number 4. Library. 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 Number 5. Kitchen. 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 Number 6. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Number 7. Wednesday. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Number 8. Comfortable. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Number 9. Mistake. Mistake. Mistake.
Number 10. Generous. 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 Now you have 15 seconds to check your answers.
Listen twice and complete each gap with a word or a number.
My dream book. I have a big dream. I want to write a very special book one day. I already have the perfect title for it, My Path to Success. It will be a small guide for young students. I hope it helps thousands of teenagers in Cambodia to find their confidence. Inside the book, there will be exactly 125 lessons. The lessons are carefully planned and very easy to understand. For example, some lessons will be about waking up at 5:30 a.m. to read and think. Another lesson teaches how to set a clear goal for the next 12 months. There are also simple lessons about listening to others, helping friends, and maybe saving a small amount of money each month. I will use very simple English words so everyone can read it. There will also be 30 nice pictures to make the readers feel happy. This book is not for business. I do not want to become rich. I want to print 12,750 copies first. The price will be only $6.90. This is a good price for students. If I can sell all the copies, I will buy new books for 15 poor schools in my province. I am writing some ideas in 2026. I know it will take time, but my heart believes in it. If just one student reads my book and finds new hope, it will all be worth it. My daughter is only 3 years old today, but maybe she will read it when she is a little older, and it will help her too. My dream is that students read this book in the next 2 years. I believe this book can change lives.
Now you have 15 seconds to check your answers.
D. Listen twice to the text carefully. Then decide whether each statement is true or false.
My brother. My brother's name is Vuthi. He is 18 years old and is studying at a high school in Phnom Penh. He is a hard-working student who enjoys both studying and sports. Every weekday, he wakes up at 5:45 a.m. and leaves home at 6:30 a.m. to go to school. His favorite subject is mathematics, but he also likes English. After school, he usually spends about 90 minutes doing his homework and reviewing his lessons. He believes that regular study is the key to success. In his free time, he enjoys playing football and listening to music. Every Tuesday and Thursday, Vuthi practices football with his school team from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Last year, his team won a local competition, and he received a medal. He was very proud of that achievement. Vuthi also likes reading books. He has more than 40 books in his room, including storybooks, science books, and biographies. Last month, he read 3 books and wrote short summaries of them. In the future, Vuthi hopes to become an engineer. He wants to design bridges and buildings that can help improve people's lives. I admire my brother because he is responsible, disciplined, and always willing to help other family members when they need support.
True or false statements? 1. Vuthi studies at a high school in Phnom Penh. 2. He usually wakes up before 6 a.m. 3. English is his favourite subject. 4. He spends about 90 minutes studying after school. 5. He practices football on Mondays and Wednesdays. 6. Football practice lasts for 2 hours. 7. His team won a local competition last year. 8. He has fewer than 30 books in his room. 9. Last month he read 3 books. 10. He hopes to become an engineer in the future.
Now you have 60 seconds to check your answers.
This is the end of the test. Check the answers in the description.